And then there was Perseus. Perseus was a Greek hero, son of Zeus. Perseus, you see, Perseus, through Perseus, 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 Perseus. This is a new form of teaching called shouting at people until they agree. Well, he was the son of Zeus anyway, and his wife was his mother in the thing in a hole in the ground. And what happens, because all the Greek myths, it looks like they were written by someone with an enormous bag of weed. And then the green monkeys who lived in a sponge cake all decided to dress up as an enormous tart, and it just goes on and on. Perseus, he goes to a wedding, a king who's getting married says, where's my wedding present? Oh, I forgot, what about tissues? No, that's not going to work. What I want is the head of Medusa, who's a gorgon from the cheese family. Bring me her head. What does she look like? She's got snakes for hair, and if you look at her, you turn to stone. All right, no problem. Does she get chatted up a lot? Not really. All right. I'll go and get her. What, just the head? Yeah, and a wing, maybe. Maybe some fries as well. Freedom fries, fuck off. And he goes, where's Medusa live? Oh, I don't know. Go to the island where the grey women live. 3 grey women who have one eye between them that they take out and swap round. And then, it's in there, you read it. And then he grabbed the eye. He was advised to grab the eye when they're passing it around. Where's the fucking eye? I gotta go to the loo. Where's the eye? I've got it. Oh, bum, the visitor's got it. He says, tell me where Medusa lives. All right, lives at number 23. All right. There's your eye. Oh, I fucking lost it. Hang on. That's a marble. That's a sheep's eye. Oh, that's weird. Should be funnier. Anyway. So then he goes there, and Medusa, there's 3 gorgons. You don't remember the other 2, do you? No. Medusa, she lost her head, but she got well known for it. And the other 2 gorgons, I don't know, Fred and Jim or something. Medusa's there going, he's coming to kill us, son of Zeus, coming to kill us. And the other 2 are immortal, though, which is kind of handy. No, he's not coming to kill us. Well, he might, Simon, he might kill you. No, I'm immortal. But what about you, Andrew? No, I'm immortal too. Simon, Andrew, both immortal. Where was I when the immortality van came by? You were off buying snake food. Bloody hell. Hey, I'm going down the hairdressers. How did you get her hair done? Because we wake up in the morning, our hair's all over the fucking place. And then we sort of sort the hair out. She'd wake up, her hair's all over the place all day. Probably hair wakes up before her. Oh, Christ. Put a video about mice on the telly, the fucking snakes are... Hairdressers hate it. Oh, bloody hell, it's Medusa. Sit down. So, what did... Calm down. Can you tell your hair to calm the fuck down? Bloody... Hey, give me a hairbrush. Janine, can you shampoo? Not on your life. Just a trim, was it? Do your roots? So, yeah, and then in the end, Perseus, he gets given magic things because the gods like him. And he ggets given a magic hat, and magic trousers, and a magic tractor, and a magic purse. It's very camp. And then he ends up killing Medusa because he uses reflective surface, because you can't look at her, turn to stone. So he's got a shield to attack, but a shield, of course, is concave, and therefore inverts the image, like in a box brownie. Not only reflects it, but inverts the image. How the fuck do you attack using that? You'd be going... Could you stand still, please? Are you immortal? You're immortal. You're one of the immortal ones. Hi, Siren. How are you? Yes, is your sister in? No reason. All right, I'll come back later. Ta.